Hello, good day everyone. This is Mark. Welcome back to the channel. This next repair is a Walton 24-inch LED TV. It's turning on, but only bar lines appear on the screen. I hope you will like this video and make sure to like it. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to keep you updated. So let's get started. The bar line on the screen is an LCD panel issue, so I will first check the voltages of the T-con if they are present or stable. Panel VCC is 12 volts, which is good. VDD 15 volt is present. VGA 30 volt is present. VGL is negative 8 volt, which is also good. Seems all voltages are normal. We don't have a problem with the T-con. So let's remove the LCD frame and measure the side cup voltages if they are all present. This is the bottom side cup. I gently remove the coating to expose the copper so I can able to measure the voltages. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Also remember to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest videos right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another videos.